Hey everyone, welcome to homework section 5.4, question 13. We'll be taking a look at inflation, nominal interest rates, and real rates. So what we'd like to be doing in this question is first calculating the approximate nominal rate and then the true nominal rate. Before we get into the calculations, let's just identify our variables first. I'll just make a little space here. So when we're discussing the real rate, that's R star. Okay, our inflation rate is represented as an H variable. So in terms of our formula for the nominal rates, okay, so when we're discussing nominal or approximate nominal rates, it's simply going to be our real rate plus our inflation rate. And we'll work on that first. So in order to calculate, we're just going to add our real rate plus our inflation rate. So go ahead and punch that in. Okay, so we punched that in. Now we'll move on to our true nominal rate. And if you recall the true nominal rate, we need to include one more factor, okay? So we need to include what's called the cross product. So the cross product in this case of the real rate and the inflation rate. So it's actually, as the name suggests, we're going to be multiplying the real rate times the inflation rate. And basically think of it as additional compensation needed because that interest earned during the year is also subject to inflation. So it's a little bit more accurate. So once we do that, we recognize the formula is, again, same as the approximate nominal rate, but we are adding that additional compensation. So we're going to add the cross product. All right, so we can calculate the cross product just to see it on its own. So again, cross product is going to be the real rate times the inflation rate. Okay, and we can go ahead and bring that down. So when we're actually calculating the true nominal, we're simply going to be adding the approximate plus the addition of that cross product. And we want to make sure that we're still dealing with percentages. Okay, wonderful. And we're just going to bring that down. So we've calculated the approximate nominal rate and the true nominal rate. Wonderful. Thanks for watching and happy financing.